Hello everyone, this is question 6 of our 100 clinically oriented anatomy questions. Let's get straight into the video. Question says a 37-year-old male is admitted to the hospital after an injuries to his foot while playing flag football with his friends on a Saturday morning. A series of radiographs demonstrates a fracture involving the talocrural joint, that is the tibiotalar or the ankle joint. Which involvement are the major ones to be affected by this injury? Plantar flexion and dorsiflexion, inversion and eversion, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, inversion and eversion, plantar flexion and inversion, dorsiflexion and eversion. So I've already underlined the most important thing in this question, which is fracture of the tibiotalar joint. Now, the major movements that occur at the tibiotalar joint are plantar flexion and dorsiflexion. Those are the two major movement that occurs at the tibiotalar joint. That is the plantar flexion and dorsiflexion, and that is option A. So injury to the tibiotalar joint is definitely going to affect plantar flexion and dorsiflexion of the patient. So let's check the other options and let's say something on them. Inversion and eversion now, option B. Inversion and eversion does not take place at the ankle joint. That is the inversion and eversion of the foot, definitely. So inversion and eversion takes place majorly at the subtalar joint. And that's the joint between the talus and the calcaneus. All right, it takes place at three joints actually: the subtalar joint, the talocalcaneonavicular joint, and the mid-tarsal joint. But it's primarily at the subtalar joint, which is not what was factored in this question. Plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, inversion, and eversion. Other options are definitely wrong since this we have only four movements here. Two occurs at the ankle joint, and the other two occurs at other types of joints. So the correct answer is option A, and I believe you understand. And I will see you in the next video.